Welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to synthesize lithium iodide. Check this out. For this demonstration, we're using iodine. We're using lithium, elemental lithium. This is the lightest metal on Earth. It only has 3 protons. We're using a 3,500 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask and a deflagration spoon to lower the burning lithium into the iodine vapors.
First step is to add a small amount of iodine to the bottom of our Erlenmeyer flask, and we're going to put it on a hot plate, and as it warms up it'll start to sublimate and it'll turn from a solid directly into a gas, and you'll start to see this beautiful purple vapors inside the flask. Next, I'm going to cut a small piece of lithium that I store in mineral oil, because lithium is an alkali metal. It reacts with water, and so you want to keep it stored in mineral oil. You can actually see that it's so light that it's floating in the mineral oil. Lithium is surprisingly soft. You can cut it with your spatula, and when you cut it, you'll see that it has a very bright luster before it starts to oxidize. You see how bright it is there. And then that'll start to turn gray really quickly as it oxidizes. Now we're heating up our iodine. You can see it's starting to sublimate. You can already see kind of a purplish pink vapor starting to come off the crystals. Okay, so now I've got my 2 pieces of lithium. I'm going to heat that up with my blowtorch. Once the lithium's on fire, it'll have enough activation energy to react with the iodine vapors in the Erlenmeyer flask. And here's our product, lithium iodide.
Okay, let's talk about what's going on in this awesome synthesis reaction. We start out with the reactants lithium and iodine. We have 2 moles of lithium, that's the 2Li, and we combine that with the diatomic molecule of iodine, that's the I2. And when you add activation energy, you create the product lithium iodide, that's the 2Lii. Interestingly, lithium iodide is used in the medical industry. It's the battery that's used in pacemakers, first introduced in Canada in 1973. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.